Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to be seeing what bank does cashapp use to offer its services. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I will recommend you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay, so before I head on, there's something you need to actually keep in mind. Cashapp is not a bank, it is actually a financial services company that offers banking services to customers through a mobile app. It actually partners with its partner banks to offer customers easy and convenient way to bank. As you can see, cashapp is a financial service platform, not a bank. Banking services are actually provided by cashapp's bank's partner and prepaid cards issued by its partner bank, which is also known as the Sutton Bank. So guys, cashapp actually has two banking partners, and these banking partners actually consist of Sutton Bank, the Sutton Bank, and the Wells Fargo. So Sutton Bank is actually a cashapp partner that offers the cashapp debit card. The cashapp debit card is a prepaid debit card that can be used for your different purchases, be it online or in store. Anywhere Visa debit card accepted, this debit card should work right and very easily. So the Sutton Bank is the bank in charge of offering this debit card and all of its convenient features that accompany the card, including the direct deposit feature that lets you receive the paycheck from employer to up to 2 days earlier than before the money arrives into your account. So that is Sutton Bank's role with cashapp. And the second bank that actually partners with cashapp is Wells Fargo, as earlier said. So Wells Fargo is the one in charge in ensuring your funds are FDIC insured. As we all know, Wells Fargo is an FDIC insured bank, and cashapp partners with this bank to actually secure customers' account balances and keep them away from fraud. So in case the business fails, your funds are actually FDIC insured to up to $250,000. So those are the banks cashapp actually partners with. Cashapp partners with two banks. As a quick recap: Sutton Bank that issues the cashapp debit card, and Wells Fargo that insures your funds. So guys, we've come to the end of our video, and if you found this video helpful, I recommend you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Give it a thumbs up to encourage us further, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.